In this video, you will learn how to create a medical certificate. First, open Google Chrome. Now type your URL here. Next, type your username and password here. Then click Login. On the top left corner, you need to click on Patient. Now, search for the patient's name here. Then click on the name. Now, click here and select the date. After reaching this page, click on Certificate, then select Medical Certificate. Now, in the Diagnosis section, enter the patient's condition or medical concerns. You can add notes in the Remarks section. Now, click Save to generate the certificate. After the certificate is generated, click Print to view and check all the details. Now, click Print to print this page or click Cancel to discard it. To send the certificate via email, click Send Email here. Now, check your email inbox and there you go. You can click on the attachment to view or download it. Thank you for watching the video.